Pakistan is hosting one of the largest refugee populations in the world, and this has stressed our internal security environment. The aging population in Asia Pacific is set to create a demographic tax on growth. Contrarily, a bulge of about 700 million unemployed and less skilled youth in South Asia is a human resource management challenge. Pakistan has contributed to the security of Asia Pacific through humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, counter-terrorism, and counter-piracy operations. Pakistan has contributed wholeheartedly to the international efforts on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. As we speak today, one of Pakistan Navy's ships is in Sri Lanka for flood relief operations and humanitarian assistance to the affected people.